This is an example of economic profit using football. Okay, if you know something about football, this will make a lot of sense. So, economic and accounting profit in football. Here's a football field. Okay, here's the end zone. And here's the 50-yard line. Okay, I won't draw in the other. Well, yeah, I will. I'll draw in the 25-yard line because that's an important point. Okay, that's the 25-yard line. So, here we go. They kick the ball off to your team. Your guy gets it in the end zone and runs it out to the 10-yard line and gets tackled. Everybody's going crazy. They're so excited about the 10-yard run. I mean, a 10-yard run is pretty darn good, except it's the fans of the other team that's doing the cheering. Why? Why? Running out, clear out to the 10-yard line. I mean, a 10-yard run is a good run. That's a good gain. But if your guy had simply downed the ball in the end zone, just took a knee, his team would have started out at the 25. So your team got an accounting profit of 10 yards. I mean, that's what will actually be recorded. Remember, accounting is where these things are recorded. It's for record keeping. That's what accounting is, record keeping. But economic profit is for decision making. So there's the accounting profit. He ran for 10 yards, and they're going to put it down as 10 yards. But his economic profit is negative 15 yards. Why do I say that? Remember, he ran it out to the 10. But the alternative, the next best alternative, he decided to go out and run the ball, but the alternative was to down it. If he downed it, he would have been at the 25. So, 10 yards minus the 25 he could have had if he made a different decision, if he had employed his athletic skills differently, took a knee instead of run out, could have been out at the 25. So in other words, his team is 15 yards worse off than they could have been. That's why the other team is cheering. And that's why your team is not happy and your fellow fans are not happy, even though running 10 yards is a pretty good run. It was not the best decision. There's a loss there. So again, accounting is for record keeping. Economic profit is for decision making. Well, let's say this time, another scenario, kicks the ball off. This time, he runs it out to the 37-yard line. Well, first of all, he's got an accounting profit, if you will, of 37 yards. That is a heck of a run. But more importantly, he's put his team 12 yards better off than they would have been had he simply downed the ball in the end zone. See, if he downed the ball in the end zone, they go out to 25. Well, he got out to the 37. So, great decision, great run. So there you go. That's football, explaining economics. So decision making to the guy who gets the ball back here, what's he thinking? Can I get to the 25 or not? That's the decision. Can I get out here? If he thinks he can get out past the 25, he should run. If it looks like he can't get out that far, he's going to get tackled in here, he should down the ball. So that's the decision every returner that has to make. And sometimes they make the right one, and sometimes they don't. You never know. That's why they play the game, and that's why the game is a lot of fun.